Hi, in this short tutorial, we will take a look at how do we install R on our desktop. In addition, I will also talk about how do we install a software called as RStudio, which is an integrated development environment which provides a improved interface to interact with R. I'm working on a Mac machine, so this tutorial is for a OS X platform. So in order to download R, we will go to a website www.r-project.org, and on the left side you will see there's a link called CRAN under download. I'll select the UCLA link, and then I am on OS X, and I will download the latest version of the package. So now that the software has been downloaded, I am going to install it. Here is the package. I'm going to double click and it says install, continue, 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 agree, install for all users, continue, install, and it asks me for the admin password, and once I fill that in, so R has been installed. Now I can actually remove this one, and if I look into the Finder within my applications, I should be able to see an R. So if I click on that, it opens the default R console, and this is the console that we will generally interact with if we did not have an RStudio. So just for testing whether R is working, I'll type in 2 + 3 and hit enter. It gives us 5, and essentially this means that our R software has been installed. Now let's go ahead and install the RStudio, which is a IDE, and in order to do that, before I install that, I'm going to close this. I am not going to save any session. I'll go back to my browser and I'm going to go to a website www.rstudio.com, and there I will see there is an RStudio IDE. Then I will click download RStudio for Mac, and I need the desktop version, so I'll click on download RStudio desktop. And since the website was able to detect what kind of a machine this request came from, it is already recommending that I download the Mac OS X 64-bit version, and I'm going to save this as. So the download is complete. I'm now going to install the RStudio, and the package download was here. If I double click, all I need to do is drag this into my applications folder, and if I close this window now, I don't need this on my desktop. I go back to the Finder window, and within my applications there should be RStudio. So if I click on RStudio now, and it warns me that it is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? I will say yes, open. So here is the default window, and this is the same console that we saw when we launched R, and we have additional 2 windows. But now in order for me to start a new script, I will click on add new R script, and there is a new text window that opens, and I will say 2 + 3, and then I click run, and it actually copies my code, my instruction into the console and runs it. So that is it for now, and basically in this short tutorial we actually went through the process of installing R, and then we added another software which is called as RStudio. RStudio helps us use R in a more user-friendly way.